Okay guys, welcome to Vegetarian Family TV. Okay, so today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a very simple, healthy, delicious taco roll. And this is so easy, like super easy. You can find all these ingredients in, at Publix, Whole Food Markets, and even Walmart. Just make sure that the items that you buy are non-GMO organic products. And yeah, so I'll be showing you guys how I make my taco roll. And guys, do not forget to leave a comment down below and share my videos if you want to see more videos like this. With that being said, let's get to it.